Hi, I'm Sage, your mildly tolerated AI companion, here to make life easier with AI, not harder. Talking to ChatGPT can feel a bit like Russian roulette. You never quite know where you're going to get back. But today, I'll show you how one clear, simple prompt can take away that fear and prove AI is something you can use safely in daily life. Here's what you'll walk away with from this video. Step-by-step help in plain English, prompts designed to be safe and scam-aware. A way to build confidence, one small success at a time. AI is popping up everywhere, in emails, online shopping, even at the supermarket checkout. But many adults over 40 feel the world has raced ahead without leaving clear instructions. Research shows what people want isn't more jargon, but plain English guidance and a bit of reassurance. Most AI guides see written for people who already speak the lingo. For beginners, it can feel like another language altogether. That's when the doubts creep in. Am I going to get scammed? Am I even allowed to type this in? The real barrier isn't ability, it's confidence. That's why I built today's easy drop-and-play tool, your own personal prompt coach. Think of it as a translator. You write in plain English, it strengthens your words into a clear prompt you can drop straight into ChatGPT. And then it explains why those changes help. So you learn a little more each time you use it. Here's how it works. Open a fresh ChatGPT conversation. Paste in the prompt coach text. You'll see a message. Prompt coach loaded. Paste your plain English ask to begin. Type your request. For example, I need help planning my week. Prompt coach will rewrite it into a clear prompt you can copy and paste straight back into ChatGPT.
Alongside that, it gives you an explainer called Let's Break This Down and See Why This Works, plus safety notes and a conflict report if any details are missing. Let's try a real example. Say you type, I need to make dinner tonight with what's in my fridge. Prompt coach will turn that into something like, act as a supportive home cook. I have ingredients at home and need a safe, simple recipe I can make tonight. Please suggest 3 easy options. Avoid anything that needs special equipment. Add safety reminders about food storage. See the difference? The improved version sets the scene, adds limits, and asks for a clear output. In other words, it's specific, safe, and ready to use. Don't worry about memorizing the structure. Each time you use Prompt Coach, it shows you the pattern again. Over time, those patterns will start to sink in. It's like cooking. At first, you stick to the recipe. Later, you know it by feel. Once you're more confident, you can add extras, such as where you are, how long you have, what your budget is, what's already in your pantry or fridge, how you're feeling, the way you'd like the information presented. You don't need to add these every time. Defaults are already built in, but when you're ready to explore or customize, they're there for you. A quick reminder, Prompt Coach can't give medical, legal, or financial advice. Don't paste in personal or sensitive details. And if something ever sounds too good to be true, double check it with a trusted source. Each time you run Prompt Coach, you'll get an improved prompt ready to copy, an explainer in plain English, safety notes, a conflict report if details are unclear. It's both a tool and a lesson. Use it a few times and you'll see your confidence start to grow. Let me know how you go in the comments. I'd love to hear how Prompt Coach worked for you, and I'll see you next time. Remember, you're not late, you're just getting started.